Hey everybody, Josh here. Today I wanted to do a quick video for you on how to resume your plots when you're plotting your hard drives. I've myself even asked in the forums and other places, can you resume your plots, when you're halfway through them? And most people, I don't say most people, some people are like, no, you can't do it, this and that. Well, that's wrong. It's wrong. It's fake news. It's wrong. So I'm actually going to show you here today with the, I guess you want to call it the default wallet. You would download from the official website there, the regular Burst wallet here, to how to resume them. Because if you just go into the regular wallet and try to click, write plots and blah, 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 it's not going to work. It's going to screw it up and you're going to be frustrated and so on. So the easiest way to go ahead and do this is you're going to find where your wallet installed to. And for me, it's, this PC, or C, users, Nikki, app data, roaming, Burst wallet, okay? Then you're going to want to click this folder called Xplotter. Okay, and then you're going to see this little thing called run this as admin, and it's a Windows batch file. What you do from there is right click, make sure it's highlighted, right click, and go to edit. Okay, this is the information you're going to need to change. Now this is already changed because I've already done this, but if you haven't, likely you're going to need to change this information in here. So I know which one I needed to fix. Okay, so I know that my drive I'm plotting is M drive. I mean, if you don't know what drive you're plotting, I don't know what to tell you. But you go into the Burst folder, click the plots. I know that this one's already done, so that's not the one I'm worried about. This one, however, is not done. I have to continue this one. So that's the information right there that you're going to take some stuff from. So open this here, and your ID, make sure that matches up, because I think mine didn't the first time, which is, I don't know. But it didn't. So I need to make sure that lines up. Okay, those numbers are the same. Starting nonces, I need to make sure that is this number. And like I said, I've done this before, so this is already changed. And the second number here needs to match, these are always the same two numbers here, but those need to match up there. Make sure the threads have to do with your processor. Mine's set at 6. Make sure your path is also correct. Make sure that it knows to go to which drive you're actually plotting, because that can be different also. And then however much memory you need to allocate to do the plotting. In my case, it's 8 gigs. That's plenty for me. I wouldn't change it from there for me. But if you have a lot more RAM, you're going to have a different setting there. So, but if you have a problem, if you try using more memory than you have, it's not going to work. So make sure once that's all correct and you are good to go, you're going to click File, Save, and then from there you can close that out. And then when you go here, you go to Run This Admin, right click, click Run as Administrator. And there you go, we're at 47%, so I know it continued just fine. And I will let that go until it's done. Another good place to check too is in the actual folder itself of your plotting. So I would go to plots here, and it also has the same run as admin thing, and you can go in here and do it as well. That might be easier for you if that's already there. So you just go to run as administrator. Oops, sorry. Then you would right click that and go to edit, and then do all that fun stuff. It's the same thing. I mean, I can show you right here. It's the same information. I changed them both. They were different at one point. So once you save it in the one thing, it's not going to be the same thing in here. So you need to double check and make sure that's what it needs to be. So that's pretty much it. Now I'm hoping that this is a pretty straightforward way for people to follow how to continue them. I found it incredibly frustrating the first time my computer shut off, or I think that's what it was. Yeah. So you're getting kind of like different answers from different people. So if you use this particular plotter, which I do, this is how you do it. I have not used other plotters yet. Once I do, and I figure out how to resume from those ones, I'll do those ones as well and make a video for you guys. If you have any questions, concerns, please leave them in the comment section below. I also accept donations, and I'll leave my addresses in the comments as well. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care until next time.